Hello everyone, welcome to Apnar Job channel. So for NIC, now we are starting our preparation strategy video and this is your phase 1. Okay, so what is phase 1 and everything? I am going to tell you in this video. First we will discuss about your expected exam date and then we will move forward with our preparation strategy. Okay. Now some students are there, those who fill form for all the three posts, Scientist B, Engineer and STA, and some students are there those who want to target only Scientist B, only Engineer or only STA. So this video is for all, right? Our ultimate target is to get selection in one of the posts or all three posts, definitely, right? Before that, I hope you fill the form. Already I made the form filling video in the comment section. I pinned that video. Okay, so you can fill the form, and if you have any query while filling the form, do ask me in the comment section of form filling video. Okay, so let's start our video. So before starting our preparation, it is very much important to set a target date to complete the syllabus because lots of activities are there, okay, during our preparation that will help you to get selection in either of the posts or all the three posts, right? So first question is, what will be your expected exam date for 2023? So see, now currently basically lots of exams are pending from NILET side. So currently I can say that for NSC sufficient time you will get, okay? But for now, we will consider July month as your expected exam date. Before that, if any update I will get regarding your exam, definitely I will share with you. Okay, no need to worry for that. The purpose of phase wise strategy video is to guide you guys properly throughout the process. Okay, so do not worry about that. But for now, we can consider July month. Now you will ask which week of the July, first week, last week. Okay, so for now, I don't have any answer for this. Definitely, as time goes on, I will update you guys. Okay. So it's very much important to complete our syllabus till June last week. June last week. So this will be our target date or target month to complete the whole syllabus of NIC. Okay. Again, it is most important that now those who are preparing for first time and those who are doing with job. Okay. See, 100% syllabus completion is not mandatory for selection. Always remember this. But whatever is required to get selection, that only we need to do. Okay, for NIC. So we, along with hard work, definitely smart work is needed, and with this only you can get selection in NSC. Okay, so I hope you got the expected exam date for NSC now. Each phase have its own purpose, okay, and definitely time to time I will tell you guys. So this is our phase 1. Now basically what you need to do, whatever chapters topics I will tell you, that you will try to complete in this phase 1 period. Okay, you will ask me what is the phase 1 period. So it will be 16th of March. Okay, that is from tomorrow we are starting. So from 16th of March to 27th of March. Okay, so this is your period, means 12 days period is there. So in this 12 days, whatever I will mention now in the further video, that you need to try to complete the things. Okay, this is the phase 1. And then on 27th, I will upload phase 2. Like this, we will go and slowly, step by step, we will move towards selection in NIC. And the one more important thing, those who are new, just try to follow the things whatever I will mention in our strategy video, in our master success pack. Already I made the previous video regarding your master success pack. In the comment section you will get the link also for that. Okay, everything is here on this channel, and consistently we are giving selection in NILET recruitments along with PSUs. So no need to worry, just your dedication is required, and if you successfully follow 70 to 80% also, then also you have good chance to get selection. Okay. So now for phase 1, basically both branches will follow the same. Okay, whether you are from computer science, whether you are from electronics communication, for you guys it is common. Phase 1 is common. Okay, then I will think whether to change or not, but for now it is common, right? Let's start with non-technical portion, and first we will take aptitude. In aptitude, basically you have to complete percentage, ratio and average. These are the 3 important chapters that compulsory you need to complete. Okay, now see, with us we have 2 students, right? In the previous video also I told you that new students are there and repeaters are there. So first I will tell you that those who are new, those who are preparing for NIC for first time, or NIC is your first competitive exam, then this segment is for you. Okay, and for repeaters means preparing for other recruitments, other exams. Okay, already you written NIC in 2020 also, anything, at least more than 50% syllabus is completed. So this will be applicable to repeaters. Okay. Okay, so see, now those who are new student, any book you can refer to complete these 3 chapters. Okay, just make sure that every type you will cover in this. Definitely if you join master success pack, then videos and notes are also there, practice sheets are there for each of the chapter. Okay, then Qbox is there and mock test will there. Definitely each one have their own purpose and they will help you to strong your aptitude section. Okay. One more important thing, sectional cutoff is there in our motivation and challenges video. I hope you watched that video. If not, then in the playlist which is linked in the comment section, you can watch that video. Okay, I already told you lots of candidates last time in 2020 failed in aptitude because they couldn't make it to basic cutoff, that is 40% for general and like that, 50% for general, 40% for OBC, like that. Okay, so basic cutoff is very much important, and with the same and along with technical you should pay proper attention on non-tech part also. Okay, otherwise lots of candidates are there already. I may discussed this thing in the last video, right? So now what you will do, first you will complete these 3 chapters, proper theory you will complete, then you will move to Telegram PDF, whatever Telegram PDF we are getting daily. Okay, from that you can practice this thing. Then free master plan will start from next week, so whenever we will start I will update you guys, no need to worry for that for now. Okay, so for now it is cross here. Then videos and notes you are refer for this part. Okay, Qbox is there. After completion of that you can use the Qbox. For now no need for a Qbox. Mock test also whenever it is available, definitely compulsory that you need to give because it is acts as our question bank also. Okay, that's why for now no need. Okay, now those who are repeaters, if you know this topic very well then no problem, otherwise follow new student strategy. I am assuming that okay you know this topic. Okay, so just revise, do revision. Telegram PDF daily you are getting, from that you can practice. Okay, free master plan we will start, definitely you have to follow, I will update you. Then Qbox, now compulsory daily 3 quizzes of Qbox you need to do. Okay, compulsory, it is mandatory for you, so that in aptitude you will get good grip and you can solve each variety of questions that is possible in NIC. Okay, so 3 minimum quizzes for aptitude daily you will solve from Qbox, and whenever mock test will be available, definitely you will do that. Okay, for now no need to think about mock test and everything. Step by step we will go and we will achieve our small goals first, right? So this is all about your aptitude part. Next is for reasoning. So basically in reasoning we are taking 2 chapters, blood relation and direction test. Okay, so any book again you can refer for new student. If you are in master access pack you can refer notes and videos also, no problem in that. Then after completion of these 2 chapters, okay, solve Telegram PDF questions. In the comment section, in the description you will get Telegram channel link, join that compulsory to get updates also and for preparation of practice also. Okay, then free master plan we will start soon, so for now no need to worry. Okay, Qbox for now just focus on completion of syllabus, so for you can just skip this. Mock test also no need to worry for that. Okay, repeaters, first revise the things, then continuously practice the questions which are you will get in Telegram PDF along with your Qbox. Again for Qbox minimum 3 quizzes daily. Okay, I am talking about daily. You need to practice for reasoning session also. Okay, so to get a good hold on reasoning. Okay, now in technical basically first we will start with programming and DS, which is most important. Okay, now listen carefully. See, basically this phase 1 part, whatever technical subject I choose here, okay, that will help you not only in exam but also in interview. So just remember this, you are preparing for now at the point of interview also. Okay, so it is very much important to pay proper attention on these chapters or subject which I mentioned in your phase 1. Okay, so in programming DS basically we will do C programming, then basics, function, recursion, parameter passing, etc. Then we will move to DS concept, that is stack, queue, linked list, tree, binary heaps, and then we move to Java and OOPS concept. These are the important things we will do, right? Now basically those who already joined master access pack plus videos, so you have 54 hours of content approximately. Okay, it is minimum, maximum you can say 55, 56 approximately. Okay, so 54 hours of content is there for programming data structures. You can watch videos, specifically I am talking about new student, right? Then otherwise you can refer any book also, there is no problem. Okay, after completion of this, what you will do basically, you will practice gate 1 mark question. Those who are new student, those who are preparing for first time, after completion of after completion of this 54 hours of content, you can practice gate 1 mark question. Okay, like that. Then soon we will start our blockwise strategy because it is most important. It is a part of MSPUT, okay, which you will get in your master access pack, and mock tests which are very much important for you guys, definitely, right? Then those who are repeaters, now if you join, I hope yet compulsory you join master access pack. Okay, it is not mandatory for you guys to get videos also, because obviously if you already complete the syllabus then no need to worry, watch again videos. Okay, obviously, right? So revise the things of programming data structure, then gate 1 mark along with 2 mark. You will also practice to get 2 mark question. Okay, for programming DS. And then our blockwise strategy will start. You will get updated in your master essay pack, and mock test whenever you will start. Definitely you need to give compulsory, right? So for now, completion of this thing is very much important, and then you will practice the GATE PYQ question. The purpose to practice GATE 1 mark and 2 mark question is to get the confidence in whatever you learn so far. Okay, I hope you understand the purpose. Basically, first you will do concept building, then you will get the confidence in that build concept. Okay, so for that only we are practicing GATE 1 mark and 2 mark, and also lots of things you will learn from GATE PYQs also. So make separate notes on that, and also one more important thing, that make your short notes from now only. Okay, that definitely will help you to revise the whole program days in the last 15 days, last 10 days before your exam. Correct? The same strategy you will follow for all the subjects. Second subject is algorithm. Again, for interview point of view also, this is most important, as well as for exam also it is most important. From programming and DS, we can expect a less number of questions, but from algorithm you can expect good number of questions in exam, okay, in your CBT. So whatever syllabus they mention, already I hope you know this, okay, already they mentioned this. In our master plus videos, if you purchase, then 39 hours of approximate minimum content is there, okay, maximum I guess 40, 41, 42 hours will be there. So you need to complete those video for new student. Those who are repeaters, again the same thing, that revise the algorithm, okay, and also compulsory join master pack only, no need to purchase videos, okay, right? Then GATE 1 mark question will practice, those who are new, and repeaters also practice GATE 1 mark plus GATE 2 mark question for now, right? Then blockwise strategy will start soon, and mock test definitely time will come, so no need to worry for now. Just focus on your syllabus completion. Okay, so now see, basically your phase 1 is concept building phase. The purpose is to build your concept, is to gain the confidence, is to touch the flavor of computer science, right? So no need to hurry in everything. Already all the things which are important for you to get selection are there in your master pack. If you want videos are also there. If you want mock test, everything, guidance, obviously everything is there, okay? And consistently, definitely we are giving selection, so no need to worry, because I know that what NIELIT can do in their upcoming exams, okay? So main thing is that just build your concept, and then together we will improve, and we will try to get more accuracy in your overall practice, right? The ultimate aim will be to get practice, right? Okay. So yes, this is all about your phase 1. Now I will meet you on 27th of March. That is in phase 2 of your NIC, right? Those who didn't join Master Pack, repeater or new student, you can join all the things already I mentioned in the previous videos. Download our application. Okay, next will be soon we will start our free master plan. MSPT means lots of activities are there. You will feel amazed, and this time we will target to get above 100 marks out of this 120 in all the 3 posts, not only in scientist B, all the 3 posts, whatever you are targeting, okay, in that we will try to get maximum score, because our first target is to get maximum percentage out of this 85%, and then we can focus on this 15% which we already have in your master's pack, that is your IGP, interview guidance program, okay? So yeah, if you have any query, any doubt regarding anything, regarding course and anything, you can ask me on Instagram, WhatsApp, application also, on application in chat section, you can message me, I will definitely help you, and start your preparation from now only, okay? Just follow this phase-wise strategy blindly, because lots of students, by following this, by attempting mock tests, by giving interview mocks, are there in PSUs and various government sectors, okay? So it's time that you should also follow this seriously and prepare well. All the best.